Hi, ma'am. Good morning. Can you tell me about yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning. I'm Erlinda Inot. I'm 40 years old. I'm single, but I have a living partner.
Do you have children, ma'am, or kids?
I don't have kids, but my husband have a grandson, and I'm the one who take care.
So, how old is the baby, ma'am?
2 years old, ma'am.
Where do you live, ma'am?
I live in P7, Luino Bahayan, Iligan City.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I'm graduated in high school.
So, do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I work abroad as a DH in Doha, Qatar,
From what year, ma'am?
from 2020 to 2023.
So, can you tell me, ma'am, your duties and responsibilities in Doha, Qatar for 2 years?
My duties and responsibilities in Qatar, household chores, cleaning, washing clothes, cooking, and take care of the baby.
Okay, so did you finish your contract, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so aside from Doha, Qatar experience, ma'am, do you have any other countries experience?
Yes, ma'am. My second experience as a DH in Hong Kong.
Okay, so did you finish your contract in Hong Kong?
I cannot finish my contract in Hong Kong
So, why, ma'am?
because I work in four months.
And your employer terminated your contract.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your duties and responsibilities there, ma'am, in Hong Kong?
Um, household chores, cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and take care of the elderly.
Alright, so how old is the elderly, ma'am?
75
Years
age.
old. Okay, so old age, and is the elderly still healthy or not, ma'am?
Not healthy.
Okay, disabled
Yes,
elderly. Okay. So how would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I describe myself, I'm a trustworthy, hardworking, and flexible person.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
I want to work in abroad because I want to help my family in terms and financial.
Okay, so are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
How about big dogs, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so is it okay if you're going to take care of dogs when you go to Singapore?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you give me your idea? How can you take care of one of the children and children with tantrums?
My idea is if they are acting up, I will stop, breathe, react calmly, and I will talk to them about it in the calm and voice.
Okay, so what is your message to your future employer, ma'am?
Their future employer, I will promise to you that I will do my best to be a good worker, and you can assure that I'm hardworking, honest, can do multitasking, and if you have a children, I will love them as my own. And if you have a rules and regulations that you give me to me, I will follow them as long as it's safe, and I promise to finish my contract. Thank you very much.
Alright, is that all, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.